Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 295 horsepower, 270 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. In this outgoing generation of the Pathfinder, one of my favorite things is the fact that it has a traditional automatic and not the CVT, which I believe was one of the worst parts about some older Nissan products. But I really like this 9-speed. It's way better than that CVT, like way better. It's also the same 9-speed you'll find in the QX60. It's pretty similar to the QX60 in here, as you know, it's the same. Is basically the same car, except the QX60 is a more luxurious version of this. And the Rock Creek is like the off-road trail edition. So you have the Rock Creek symbol on the seats. It's like a leatherette contrast with this I don't know what you would even call this. It's like kind of like Velcro almost. And here's a backup camera with a 360 view as well. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, and you have analog gauges with the center screen, heated front seats, and you can change your modes right here. I'm gonna put it in sport for the drive. No sunroof in this model. But yeah, let's get out on the road real quick. We'll get a walk around of the vehicle towards the end of the video. But yeah, this V6 is pretty good. I mean, it's I really like naturally aspirated V6s. You know, 3.5 liter V6s is like an engine size that's been used by many Japanese manufacturers for a long period of time. They're reliable, they sound good. Also, I like the steering wheel. It's a nice looking steering wheel with the orange stitching with the Rock Creek theme. You also get that orange stitching throughout the interior as well. I turn off auto start stop, as I'm not a fan of that. Also, I really do like the Nissan logo. I think Nissan did a good update to their logo because it was the same logo for a long time, but now it looks more premium with the white lettering, as well as this little outline, and plus like the badge is like a more platinum look to it rather than being like a silver chrome look to it. And I like how it says Pathfinder here. Nice little details on this car, which I appreciate. Acceleration is actually pretty good. But yeah, with these off-roady tires, you're definitely going to get a little extra road noise, and the ride's going to be a little not as comfortable as one with like as a Pathfinder with like the more regular tires. Yeah, so this vehicle you can tackle some trails with it, use it for camping, all kinds of stuff. This is definitely a vehicle you could use for all purposes. Utility. This is definitely a sport utility vehicle in that sense. I mean, I'd be curious to see how this would drive off-road or on some rough terrain. Transmission's pretty quick to respond to the paddles, which is a good thing. As I said, it's a nice transmission. And I like the shape of the shifter. It's nice to rest my hand on. It's an interesting shape. Also, like in the Infinities, the shifter is like the same thing, except it's like more thin. I like this one because you can fit your whole palm across it, which is nice. But yeah, overall pretty nice ride. It's pretty comfortable. Acceleration's pretty good too. Drives well. And as I said, that 9-speed transmission is a major improvement over the CVT in both the Pathfinder and the QX60. I think that was vital that Nissan made the switch. Let's go for a quick walk around on this vehicle. It's finished in the gray color, and those are the off-road tires I was talking about. I also like the way the wheels look. And then on the Rock Creek, on the grill, you're gonna get the black grill and with these 3 little slots over there. It looks pretty good. You also get a Rock Creek badge on the side. You get the big fender flares. On the back, it also says Pathfinder Rock Creek, and you have the blacked out emblems. 4-wheel drive, Rock Creek badge on the back. And here are the rear seats. You do get captain's chairs, which is nice. And then that's the gate, and the third row's folded down over there. And I like how there are cup holders in the doors. That's useful too. Always good to have extra cup holders, you know what I mean? Okay, so it's not a power trunk, you do have to manually do it. Yeah, pretty good trunk space actually. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek.